The gears are all turning, steam starts to rise. The sparks are all flying before his dead eyes. They bolt on the iron, they weld on the plate, rebuilding a creature abandoned by fate. The screech of the metal is loud in the room as lightning awakens his soul from the tomb. The pistons are pumping, the copper wires gleam. He wakes from the dark of a faceless nightmare dream. Half of me metal and half of me flesh. The old life is gone and the wires are fresh. Oil now flows where the blood used to run. The work of the tinkerers is finally done. He stands on his feet, but he doesn't know his name. Forgotten the shadow, forgotten the flame. A mind like a valley of infinite white. He steps from the forge and into the night. His memory vanished, a completely clean page. No longer a prisoner of sorrow and rage. The cold air is biting, the winter is near, but inside his chest there is no room for fear. The machine is alive and the circuits are strong. He is the creation where steel worlds belong. The wind speaks to him as it freezes the land, as he watches the snow fall